Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here. Today we are working on the 2006 Mercedes CLS 500, and we're going to be doing an install. So this one is might be a little bit technical for some of you, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so here we go. First, the item we're installing today, or the part that we're installing, is from VCD. All right, those are them beauties right there. All right, so bear with me now. First, we want to locate the valve stem. We want to disassemble or remove, uninstall the cap that's there. And here we have the new cap. And we're going to ensure that it's fully lined on the thread, and you just continue to turn it in a clockwise direction, and there we go. First one down. Bear with me guys, I'm doing this one-handed here. On this one, no uninstallment necessary. It's already not there. So we're gonna install the second one. Look at that beauty. We have two more to go. So bear with me guys. Get to the front of the vehicle. Give you a side shot here. Give you a shot of the SO in the background. Alright, on this one, we're going to remove the third cap, and as you see, that one is already not there, so we're going to, in a clockwise direction, turn that until tightened. Be sure not to over tighten those stems, or be sure not to cross thread them. All right, and there it is. What a beauty. And these guys, I went with the red ones for these. I want to make it kind of pop. As you can see on the rear, same thing. All right, Good Friday. All right. Yep. All right. That was a postman there, guys. And we're gonna do the same thing here. Just an install. No uninstall necessary on this one. And that's it. Look at that beauty. And that's it, guys. I mean, you know, moderately difficult on the hierarchy of difficulty. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's going to be dependent upon your previous experience and capability and ability. But there you go. And all we had to do was one uninstall. And that was it. And that's it, guys. You know, that's the successful uninstall and install of valve stem caps on the CLS, Mercedes CLS 500. Alright guys, and thanks for watching. And again, as always, this is One Key Car Garage, and have a good one.